Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and collecting exact journal identifiers, title, ISIN, and publisher. Once done, open Scopus sources or the Scopus preview search. These are the official indexes. Make sure to use the journal ISIN first. It reduces ambiguity and speeds results. If you lack institutional access, use Scopus Preview or your library portal to avoid paywalls. This first step prevents chasing wrong titles later and sets you up to verify indexing status accurately. Now you perform the search. Enter the ISIN, then confirm the exact title if needed. Once results appear, inspect coverage years and the indexing start date to ensure current inclusion. Check the ASCII subject classification to confirm relevance to your field and verify the publisher name matches the journal's website. Also look for notes about discontinued coverage or title history. These explain gaps. Doing this reduces errors from similarly named journals and shows how Scopus categorizes the publication. Finish by cross-checking the Scopus entry against the journal's website metadata and recent issues to confirm editorial continuity. If the journal is not listed or shows incomplete coverage, contact Scopus support or the Content Selection and Advisory Board with ISIN and evidence. Make sure to save screenshots and note the dates you checked. These records help resolve disputes. If you run into ambiguous results, escalate with the publisher or your librarian. Often the missing link is title variants or recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.